So I'm at my mom's house, and this is kind of like her front door and all that. And she's getting her front door replaced soon. But I wanted to kind of give you guys, a glimpse of what it looks like. Now, she's having what you call professionals come and replace her door for her and everything. But I wanted y'all to kind of see what it looks like right now. So here is the what it looks like right now. So when she does get it replaced, I am going to show you guys what it looks like later on. But anyway, just wanted to kind of give y'all a look of what it looks like right now. She's getting a whole new storm door, whole new door frame, all of it. So anyway, stay tuned. Okay, guys, I wanted to kind of give you guys an overall look of how the kitchen in my mom's house is looking so far. So, everything on this side is completely done as far as like the third coat. The third coat paint has been officially done on this whole side over here. Now I know the window area looks messy and all that stuff because I did not use any tape. But when I do, because I still have some more cabinets to do. As you can see, I still have some more to do. I'm not even done yet. So just showing you guys. Still need it because these are all like yellow looking and all that stuff. So anyway, but I am planning to kind of, maybe get that paint off the window right there. So I know it doesn't look exactly the best right now, but when I get through with painting the whole kitchen, I'm planning to do like kind of like a deep clean, kind of just clean it up a little bit and all that stuff. So like I said, it's not done yet. So yes, I know the window looks messy right now. I get it and all that, but I'm kind of new to DIYing, guys. I haven't been doing it for years and years and years and years. So I'm not like, and let me put it to you this way. When it comes to DIYing, I mean, I think the more you do it, the more experience you get and all that. I mean, I have done some DIYs in my own house and everything and all that, but, I haven't done them in a while, but it's like with my mom's house. I'm going to be doing this for a while because she says she wants me to kind of paint her whole house. It's supposed to do a makeover, but it takes time and, of course, money and all that. So, anyway, needless to say, I'm going to be doing this for a while at her house. So, you're going to see plenty of content from my mom's house. But I wanted to kind of give you an overall look and just tell you guys that, when it comes to DIYing your house or, painting or whatever and all that stuff and everything, everybody starts somewhere. Not everybody's an expert. Not everybody's good at it at first. It takes time. You got to build that skill and all that. So I kind of wanted to include that. I'm just trying to be honest with you guys. I don't want to sugarcoat anything. I don't want to say, oh, hey, you look at my paint and I did a good job and I didn't use what you call the paint tape and I didn't make any mess ups. No, I'm being real here, guys. Being very real and all that stuff. So, but my mom is loving it. She loves the color, and I even know the hardware doesn't look good and all that stuff. And we plan to do something with the hardware once it's all done. But, it's just hard to try to tape everything up because let me show you something. These hinges right here they were hard to do. And instead of us taking all the cabinet doors off and all the hardware off and have to put it back up, my mom didn't want to do all that. So she's like, you know what, just paint over it. We'll deal with it later. I'm like, okay, are you sure? She's like, I'm very sure and all that. So like I said, we're amateurs at this. We are not by all means perfect at it. So I just wanted to be a disclosure with you guys. But I do like how it's coming out. I do like how it's turning out and all that. So anyway, if this is kind of content, please make sure you do, like at least and all that. Just kind of share it with anybody who is also thinking about doing updates to their home, but they can't really afford to have painters or they can't afford like construction workers to do it all and stuff like that. So anyway, keep that in mind. Anyway, alright, I'll see you guys soon.